In a world dominated by screens and digital distractions, it's time to bring the joy of learning and play back to the great outdoors. Introducing Aqua Blocks, the revolutionary steam toy that unleashes creativity while exploring the wonders of water. With Aqua Blocks, your child becomes the engineer, the scientist, and the master builder of their very own sprinkler system. By rearranging the blocks and connectors, kids unlock the secrets of water dynamics, discovering how each configuration affects the flow. With Aqua Blocks, learning becomes an adventure. It's not just about play, it's about exploring, discovering, and imagining. Whether it's in your backyard or in the pool, Aqua Blocks brings hours of engaging educational fun. So step outside, embrace the magic of learning, and get ready to make a splash with Aqua Blocks. Aqua Blocks, where creativity meets science and fun meets education.